Hi folks, we're back here with another Duncan Creek Outdoors video. Right here, we're rocking the Ozark Trails telescoping combo rod. So it comes with a nice 6-foot rod, maxes out at 6'6", and then it also comes with a reel. So you're getting the best of both worlds. This here we got at Walmart, 20 bucks. I mean, you're getting a reel and a rod. It's pretty good. But you're also getting a spinner and then a buzz bait for bass fishing. This we'll use back home for some bass. That we could probably catch some trout on. But right now, we're in the Gulf Shores at Alabama. So these baits aren't going to do us no good. So we got some squid, a little sinker, a little hook. Cast it out there. We're going to catch some pinfish right now. First, we got to start opening this up. Got to get my knife out. Got her open now, folks. Alright. Bam. It's right here. You keep this clip, keeps the tip safe. Set that down right there. All in all, I'm going to keep the baits in there because carry that back. This is actually a mighty fine reel. Think, you're getting this and that 20 bucks. Amazon's got some good deals. Not Amazon, Walmart's got some good deals. Look at that. She's got some good spinach. Good carry on with it. I'll just bait her up real quick. Get her in there. Nice and tight. Just think, you gotta go on a plane. Throw this in your backpack, man. Oh, can't be littering out here. All right, so look at that. You just pop your little clip. Put that in your pocket. Watch this. Just pull it out one at a time. Now you take a look. Straighten them out a little bit. And bam. There you go. Yeah, rod. 6'6". You ready to catch some fish. All you gotta do is hook her up.
Alrighty, so we're just using a simple number 4 octopus hook here. Same what we use for trout. We're just gonna get her rigged up here for Andy quick, so we can get catching fish.
Yep. We got a couple rods out here, but we're testing out the old telescoping rod because we gotta get her done. We got a flock of ducks trying to come in and be friends right now. Alright, you gotta tighten up your drag your first cast. We got counter cast netting. Alright, that feels good. First cast might not be the best, but you never know. We got out there pretty good though. It's basically trout fishing. It's just an ocean, not a creek. The pole, it's kind of sensitive, but not at the same time. Because the tip, that's got some flex, but it's stiff all the way through. Alright, I'm rating this pole pretty good. I just let it sit. Alright, folks. Sometimes the fish just aren't biting. But that's not the case. You gotta do one of these. A little tap, tap, a little swirl, swirl, and let her rip. That's the best cast you'll ever see right there. Now, the line is a little tangle schmangles. That's because she's fresh. You can reel in a little bit and let her sit. And sit. I got stripped, guys. This is what you call a robbery down in the South. They just take my bait and run. You know? We just rebait her up like this. Grab your old kniffy. A little more shrimpy. Actually, that's squid. Ooh. That's a... You wipe your hands on Caleb's bag, cause peace, dude. You know, sometimes the fish just don't bite. You just gotta accept defeat. Oh boy, that was a beaut. It's the next day. Because the fishing was not great last night. We set out some big rods, we didn't catch nothing. We had something massive on though. I mean massive. It took our whole pole in the water because we had them in. We had these tubes in the sand, and then you push the tubes a couple feet deep, and you put your rod in it. Well, sucker bent it all over and took everything. Oh, I'm getting a bite, getting a bite. There he is. We're hooked up on the telescope rod. Here we go. That's a beautiful pinfish right there. Hey, you settle, buddy. Look at that, beautiful. And there he goes. But he decided to take a little poopies on me too. But all in all, this is one of the best rods for the best price, I'd say, at Walmart. You're getting the full setup, so there ain't much you can complain about when using this. Okay, I'm getting bit right now. I feel it there. Oh, he ran. What are you doing, Walmart, Rod? Come on. By all means, I mean, if you want to sponsor us, Walmart, shoot me a text. I'm down. Let me gotta check my bait. Barely anything. How's I supposed to catch stuff with nothing? What a yeet. I mean, if I didn't screw up that hook set there, probably would have had another one. Been all dandy. But, you know, it happens. Happens. There ain't much to show you on this rod. It's pretty good. It's pretty firm. And works for about anything you want. I'd say it'd be a good trout rod back home. It's a good small fish rod, so like anything under 2 feet, you're guaranteed shouldn't break. Like yesterday, I caught a stingray on it, big like 16-inch wide stingray. Didn't even have a problem. I mean, yeah, she was bent over and she was acting like a big fish, but I mean, this pole can do some good work. Now, if you're gonna go fishing for like big pike and stuff like that, get a bigger pole. Don't spend $20 on this. But I mean, it wasn't made for that. It was made for these small trout streams. You pocket that sucker, hike her back in the mountain, or like me right now, walk 100 yards out to the dock, and you just catch some pinfish. But I'm gonna cut her off there. So thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Hashtag God, and then oh well, hold on. Dang it! Thanks for 250 subscribers. Let's keep that number going up. We're gonna do something crazy at 1,000. We don't know yet.